I'm Ramnath Chalapa. I'm Professor of Information Systems and Operations Management at the Goizueta Business School, Emory University. I'm also the Academic Director of the Master of Science in Business Analytics program. The Analytics Practicum that is part of the MSBA program is perhaps the crown jewel of the program. Most importantly, they do the Analytics Practicum, and you can really think of it as a kind of an internship. And during this time, the students go on to solve a real business problem that really matters to our client. And therefore, this is the way in which they can verify all the techniques that they learn are really applicable to what the industry cares about.
As Managing Director of the MSBA program, one of my main responsibilities is to connect companies seeking answers to business challenges with our student teams and cutting-edge resources. Our sponsors provide key components of a business analytics project in the real world, just as if they were engaging a consulting team.
We've collaborated with sponsors including Realtor.com, the Home Depot, Best Buy, GoTo Foods, Delta Airlines, Macy's, and many more. Clients can be from any vertical, including healthcare, finance, business, and retail. And the problem itself can come from any functional domain. What is critical is that the answer to the question must lie within the data that the firm has, so our students are able to apply the various data science techniques they have learned in the first semester. The Practicum project is a crucial aspect of the MSBA program, where students utilize various techniques to solve real-world business problems for our client firms. These techniques include machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. Other AI techniques include fuzzy logic, genetic algorithms, particle swarm optimization, robotics, and quantum AI. Some of the Practicum projects that our students have successfully completed include mining free-form notes and electronic medical records to detect infection, strategizing a highly scalable solution to identify key product features and keywords from online reviews to improve in-store visual designs, identifying bust-out credit card fraud to mitigate risk while maintaining sales momentum, personalizing online search refinements to enhance the customer journey, and lastly, identifying loyalty program customers on the brink of churn and implementing strategies for re-engagement.
Hi, my name is Mild, MSBA class of 2023. For my MSBA Practicum project, I work with focus brands on predicting customer retention rate. My role on the team was a project manager working alongside 3 other MSBA students to develop a solution to the problem. Being able to work on a real-world problem allowed me to utilize the skill set that I learned by dissecting technical issues and crafting a plan to build an analytical solution. The project gave me the opportunity to sharpen my project management skills and help me to understand what I want as a career after the program. Throughout the projects, the professor we worked with were tremendously helpful in guiding us in identifying the business problem among the analytics questions. Overall, the Practicum was a great introduction to what I can expect from the real world as I move into my new career and entering my first job. It helped me to identify issues and taught me how to work with technical teams while communicating with business stakeholders.
During the spring semester, students work in teams of 4 to 5, meeting with clients to learn about the problem, and meeting weekly with both the client and our faculty and staff coaches to ensure project progress. The outcome of the project is a technical package that includes cleansed data, empirical models, code, and a business deck that outlines the solution's benefits and methodology, along with an executive dashboard for visualization and reports. If you'd like to learn to apply analytics to real business problems through hands-on projects in a collaborative environment supported by industry mentors and faculty, the MSBA program at Goizueta is for you. You'll build in-demand expertise in machine learning, AI, cloud analytics, and data visualization, and tailor your experience with one of 4 specialized tracks: AI and business, business analytics, marketing analytics, or supply chain analytics.